Includes parts for installation of double DIN radios or 2 single DIN radios. All necessary hardware to install an aftermarket radio. Comprehensive instruction manual. For select 1995 to 1997 Nissan vehicles. Plugs into OEM radio. Power/4 speaker. One 10-pin connector and one 6-pin connector. Designed to plug into the factory radio. Quick conversion from 2-shaft to DIN. Allows installation of 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch DIN equalizer. Includes a recessed DIN opening. Includes parts for installation of double DIN radios or 2 single DIN radios. All necessary hardware to install an aftermarket radio. Comprehensive instruction manual. Top reviews from the United States. Great form, fit, and function. Perfect form, fit, and function. I replaced the 22-year-old OEM Clarion radio for an OEM upgrade. I had to carefully match the colored wires of the male plugs with the default color scheme of the car's harness wires. It required attention to detail. Overall, a great product.